Another breaking development that we are following closely, this one from our Investigates team. The man charged with murdering a Belmont University student back in 2023 will go to trial.
Last month, we covered the hearing where Shaquille Taylor's attorneys argued he's incompetent to face murder charges for the death of Jillian Ludwig. But today, after considering everything presented, including new evidence, a Davidson County criminal court judge determined Taylor is competent to stand trial.
Investigative reporter Jennifer Krause tells us what swayed the judge.
And we ask Your Honor to find him competent.
The question last month before Judge Steve Dozier was, is Shaquille Taylor competent to stand trial for the murder of Belmont student Jillian Ludwig? Now we know the answer. The judge just filed his decision, and in this 24-page order explains why Taylor is in fact competent. Taylor had previously been found incompetent by court-appointed psychologists in earlier criminal cases, at least one of them citing Taylor's intellectual disability that was diagnosed when he was 3 years old. And during the two-day hearing in June to determine Taylor's competency in this case, his attorneys argued that because he'd already been found incompetent, he should still be considered incompetent.
The blue is the driver of the car.
But prosecutors urged the judge to consider new evidence, including several videos. And this is evidently what convinced the judge. This recording was made as the DA's own expert psychologist evaluated Taylor.
Because it was an accident. It wasn't like I was aiming for her.
The audio is a little hard to make out in our recording, but Taylor here discusses the shooting, how it happened, and when he learns there's surveillance video of the shooting, he asks to see it, so he tells the psychologist he can help determine what evidence there is against him. And later, as the two watch the video of the shooting, Taylor describes to the doctor how it all went down. Judge Dozier called this exceedingly relevant, writing, defendant himself could be heard discussing with the psychologist in the same manner a defendant would assist their counsel. That this recorded discussion proved to the judge that Taylor is competent.
Do you understand what's going on right now?
And this video shown in court, recorded by Metro Police right after Taylor's arrest for Ludwig's murder, prompted the judge to write, the court has no concerns the defendant is presently unable to consult with his attorneys and assist in his defense. Metro Police say Taylor shot at a car in November of 2023, and one of the bullets struck 18-year-old Ludwig, a college freshman at Belmont, as she walked in a park near campus.
He didn't appear to be incompetent to us at all.
Jillian's parents were in the courtroom last month and had the same reaction to the videos as the judge.
He knew what he did. He tried to, cover it up, told some falsities. He showed understanding and even remorse when they told him that he had shot Jillian. He cried.
The video interviews demonstrate to us that he understands. He knew what he did. He knew what the consequences could be. He can use terminology that would be used in a court setting. He understands what that means. That was clear to us.
While all sides agree that Taylor does have an intellectual disability, recent testing shows a significantly higher IQ now than when he was a child.
It's the first step, major step, towards justice for Jillian.
We talked with the Ludwig shortly after they learned of the judge's ruling.
I just burst into tears. I was shaking. It was just an outpouring of emotion and all of this anxiety and hurt that I've bottled up and anger that I've bottled up for so long. So I feel better that I can take a sigh of relief until we have to go to trial.
A trial date has not yet been set in the case, but is expected soon. Jennifer Krause, News Channel 5 Investigates.
Because of Taylor's intellectual disability, the judge encouraged Taylor's attorney to request that accommodations be made for him during the trial, and Judge Dozier said he would consider implementing them.